Hi guys, welcome back to the Sweaty Potato Meyer RC channel, home of the fastest Red Cat Rampage XT on YouTube. And it might be a little bit faster once I get the Taylor 35 in it. We'll see when that happens. But now for today, one of the things I want to do for today's video is I got a little bit of a tech tip I wanted to bring at you with the 5 millimeter drive pin mod for your 24 millimeter hex drives and wherever else you want to put your 5 mil pins. I was just want to come out with a video on that, and I just want to do a little update and all that stuff. So why don't we just get right into it? And as you guys can see, Jack Ripper's not around anymore. That's what's left of Jack Ripper and what's becoming of Jack Ripper, I should say. Yeah, I completely took Jack Ripper completely apart, and what's becoming is this is the rooster, and this is what's gonna have the Taylor RC 35 in it whenever it gets released. And then I got the pipe coming, and I plan to do an unboxing here later on. But I just wanted to mention that we're gonna have a new color scheme. We're gonna be going red and white, and then for the side pieces I'm gonna have black. So we're gonna have like a three different colors for the scheme. And then as far as this chassis, the reason the rear is a little bit lighter colored than the front chassis is because I was using the red anodizing chrome stuff, and then I was also using the shadow, and I had both pieces apart because I wanted to paint them, not put together. I wanted to paint them complete. And so I had both pieces apart. And with that kind of stuff, I counted the codes and I counted everything, but with the application and stuff, without having any way to meter it or whatever, I guess, so to speak, it really didn't come out, and I knew it wasn't going to match perfectly, and I didn't care either. So yeah, we got red for the chassis. We got white for the braces, hinge pin braces, and we got black for that tank brace, and then the side braces over here. So we got that going on. And then what I'm doing is I'm using the best parts that I had, I could salvage off of Jack Ripper. And I'm using those plus a lot of spare parts I had just laying around from converting the Punisher over to mostly aluminum, and just other things like that, So so yeah, I'm doing that as far as how I'm building it, and I'm building it from the ground up, every little piece, every little part. And I got all 4 of these shocks rebuilt and ready to go back in. So and then what I did with the shocks when I rebuilt them is I had been rolling through Facebook here. I can't remember when it was. It'd been some time ago because it's been a while since I've had to rebuild shocks. But I've come across this guy. He filled his shocks with Dawn dish soap, and I thought that was pretty cool because it's about the weight of 50 weight, Dawn dish soap, and it's a hell of a lot cheaper too. So I didn't rebuild all 4 shocks. I only rebuilt 2 of them. I rebuilt one front shock and one rear shock because the other 2 weren't leaking and they felt fine. So those are the ones I rebuilt, and I'm going to test this Dawn dish soap liquid and see how it works as shock fluid. So I don't know. We'll see what happens there. All that stuff. So I guess the next thing we could do is I can go ahead and get you down here, and we can start on this 5 millimeter drive pin mod. So I'll get you undocked. We'll be right back. All right, guys. So what I'm talking about, the drive pins is, you got your 24 millimeter hex, and then you got your drive pin that goes in, through there, and so I'll show you the difference. Okay, so that's a stock one, a stock Roven. It's hardened steel. I mean, nothing to it. And then this is a Taylor RC titanium 5 mil. So that's the difference. And I'm moving everything up to these 5 mils because you don't have any problems with them breaking. So especially with this, Taylor power that's coming. I want to be prepared for it. So that's the difference, And then we can start out, and we'll do this piece first since I already got set up for it. So this is the drive cup, and that is a 7/64 drill bit, and I get the good drill bits because this is a hardened drive cup, but I can't remember what kind it is, whether it's FLM or whatever it is, but anyways, what I'm trying to say is this is a 7/64 drill bit, and it's a drill bit that goes through stainless. It's the higher end drill bit is what I'm trying to say. So all that stuff. Let me grab some lubricant. All right. And guys, you don't have to have a drill press to do this modification. It just really, really helps. It just really helps. Got that one down. Now we'll lower this a little bit. And this one's a little different. I gotta hold this one in your hand. So I don't know how much of it you guys are gonna see. I can always try to do it. I'll try to do the best I can, but I gotta hold this with my hand. And you notice I'm wearing gloves. So turn it over. All right. Get this stuff out of my hands. Sorry, I bumped that, guys. Yep, there we go. slide that on, and then just a little. Yeah, there we go. Get a little Loctite on there. And crank her down on there. There we go. And now we're upgraded to 5mm drive cup pins. So that's how it's done. All right, guys, FedEx came. We got the pipe. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Let's see what it's all about. All right. There she is out of the box. And then, got some more goodies in here. Big Detroit Performance stickers. All right, so now this is the first side pipe I've ever had, guys, and it's the Taylor RC. I'm not going to take it out of the plastic because I'm not ready to use it yet, and I don't want anything to happen to it. So, but this is the pipe here. Let me come around so I can see what you guys are seeing. But this is the Baja side pipe for the, I think it's 32 and up. Zenoa. So this is going to be going on the 35 as well as a full mod rooster tail carburetor. So yeah, I just wanted to get it out there so you guys can see it. Isn't that awesome? That is beautiful. I can't wait to see it out of the bag. I'm not taking it out of the bag for the simple fact that, like I said, I'm not ready to use it yet, and I don't have anything to mount it up to right now. So all right, guys, so that's the pipe, and so that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, guys, and you like what you see, you should probably do that, because this is what I do. And by the subscribe button, there's a bell notification. Select that, select all. You get every upload I do. And don't forget, if there's something on your mind, guys, leave a comment in the comment section. We'll see you in the next one.